What's going on, everybody? Most people think building a barndominium starts with a shovel and a dirt. But if you break ground before these 10 steps, you're likely flushing thousands of dollars down a hole you didn't mean to dig. Today, I'm giving you the exact pre-construction blueprint to ensure your build is on time, on budget, and actually legal. Step number 1, land acquisition and feasibility. Before buying land, ensure it is buildable. You need to check for soil stability and drainage. You also need to confirm that there are no restrictive covenants, like HOAs, that forbid metal buildings or non-traditional residential structures. Step number 2, secure specialized financing for barndominiums, right? Because barndominiums can be trickier to finance. Seek out lenders who specialize in rural or farm loans. You will need a firm budget and likely a contract with a builder to secure a construction to permanent loan. All right, step number 3 is zoning and permitting research. You need to go visit your county planning department. Verify zoning for residential use on your specific lot. Identify required setbacks, easement restrictions, and whether you must follow the International Building Code, IBC, or Residential Code, which is IRC. Step number 4, engineered blueprints. Because barndominiums often feature large open spans, your blueprints must be engineered to handle local wind and snow loads. If you're using a steel kit, the manufacturers usually, most of the times, they provide these stamped drawings for you once you put your deposit down. Step number 5, site plan and utility engineering map. You need to go and map out exactly where the structure sits. Determine the path for the driveway, the locations for the septic system, the wellhead, and the electrical transformer. You need a professional site plan by a surveyor to get your final building permits. Step number 6, you need to quote and order the shell. Lead times on steel or post frame kits can be several months. Mine was about 3 months out when I first placed the order. So place your order early. Ensure the kit includes all the windows, or if you're not getting the windows from the steel manufacturer, you need to go and order the windows from any store that provides windows, doors, and your specific installation that you're buying. More specifically, you need to think about your moisture barrier. You need to put a moisture barrier between the metal and your installation. Step number 7, you need to hire your core 4 contractors. You need your primary team lined up. You need an excavator or a site prep person, the ones that do all the site work, right? You're going to need a concrete contractor for your slab. You need a shell erector, the one that's going to put your building up unless you're DIY. And you're going to need a general contractor unless you're managing the project yourself. Step number 8 is septic and well installation. It is often best to install these before the main construction begins. This ensures you'll have water on site for the crews that come into work and avoids heavy machinery driving over your finished drain field or your septic tank. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out. Step number 9 is foundation and underground plumbing. The slab is the most critical part. Before pouring your slab, your rough-in plumbing and the electrical conduits must be placed with 100% accuracy. A monolithic pour, which is just basically a big rectangle or square, however your building is, with a thickened edge, which are the footers, right, is the standard for these structures. Unless you have columns in the center, then you're going to have footers straight down the middle also. And finally, step number 10. It's pre-groundbreaking walkthrough. You need to conduct a stakes in the ground walkthrough with your builder. Verify the orientation of the building. That's very important for sunlight and wind. Confirm that the pad is level and that the driver can support the weight of the semi-trucks delivering your kit. In the comments below, I will be posting a link with a checklist with these 10 things that you must do completely for free. You can just copy the link, hit it, and download it. And before you build, make sure you go through that checklist. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends, like, and subscribe. You could also become a Barndo Life member where you have early access to the videos that come out weekly. See you guys next time.